dance is called Forever to Be With You. 36 count, 2 walls, and there is a restart during wall 3 at the end of 32 count. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot to the side. Step to the side, step left back, back, recover. Repeat to the left. Step left to the side, rock back, recover. Turn 180, facing 130, step forward, make a half turn, step forward, and make a 180 facing 6 o'clock, 180 facing 6, recover. So section 1. Step to the side, rock, recover. Step to the left, rock, recover. 180 facing 130, step, step, turn, step. 180 facing 6 o'clock, side, recover. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 2. Cross, quarter, quarter, stepping 1/8 with a hitch, step to back to 1/8 facing 12 o'clock, and another 1/8 to your left facing 10:30. Do a forward, recover, back, and a quarter sailor step to your right. Sailor step. Let me show you section 2 again. Cross, quarter, quarter, 1/8 hitch facing 1:30, back, step facing 12 o'clock, another 1/8 facing 10:30, rock, recover, back, sailor, quarter, step to your right, sailor, quarter, step. So with a count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Section 3. Transfer your weight to your left by making a half turn. Transfer, half turn, and back to your right. From here you do a sweep, make a 1/8 facing 3 o'clock. Sweep, cross, side. Make a 1/8 facing 1:30 again. Back, back, back to 12 o'clock. Step forward. Make a half turn and a quarter turn with a point. Step half turn and a quarter with a point. So section 3 here. Step half turn, step back half turn, sweep, sweep, transfer weight here, do a 1/8 again, back, back, 1/8 here facing 12 o'clock, step forward, make a half turn and a quarter turn with a point, half turn and a quarter point, facing 9 o'clock. So with the count for section 3. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Section 4. A quarter and a full turn. Step quarter, full turn, with a sweep in front, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, cross, recover, side. Section 4. A quarter, do a full turn, and sweep in front, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, cross, recover, side. So with the count, section 4, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. The last section, rock, recover, side, sway, sway, sway. So the last section is rock, recover, side, sway, 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 with a count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and you finish the dance here. So let me show you the whole dance without music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4,